Boxycharm. Happy New Year, everyone! What's up, everyone? Happy New Year to you all. I'm gonna do a little simple video clip today, and it's going to refer to my Boxycharm. So y'all, I will go ahead and just read London Blaze Chaser Face Palette, and that looks like it's this baby right here. Oh. Right there. So I thought that's pretty cool. Iconic Blaze palette. Multi-dimensional luminosity and warmth with these 6 velvety face powders. So the second one is Glamnetic. Now this will include the liquid magnetic eyeliner and the eyelashes. So this is called Black Magic, and it is as I stated, is for this. And it looks like this. Glamnetic. So yeah. Alright, y'all. Next is the Tarte Man Eater Mascara. Maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula. Priced at $23. So yes, we have the actual full size, and it looks like this, and it's full size, you guys, so that's awesome. Next, I have the MAC lipstick, matte in color. Let's see, it's called Marrakesh. Yep, there we go, Marrakesh. And it's the actual size as well. I'm gonna pop this baby off. Oh. And it looks like that. Nice low color there. And then we have the original makeup eraser, the sponge. Now, this is the first ever machine washable sponge, especially formulated by the original makeup eraser. It features the same unique wash technology to erase the makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing. Merchandise price is $18 for this. Here's the actual sponge that it came with. This is what it goes into. You put that there. You close it. Or twist it. Anyway, you get the idea. And you throw it in the washer. So, yeah, y'all. This is pretty cool. This one was priced it's actually $55, and the Glamnetic and the eyeliner was together at $63. The Tarte was priced at $23, and the MAC lipstick in itself, it was priced at $19. So, well, I just wanted to let you guys know that I did receive my December Boxycharm box, and that I didn't per se I don't know, do a tutorial on it yet with the full products, because I was waiting on getting an actual like a foundation, which I mean I can use any foundation really, but yeah, out of the 5 products, 4 of them I could really use technically in the the, the tutorial for makeup. I just wanted to go ahead and say thank you so much for coming back and checking out my channel. And again, if you are new, my name is Thanai, and I do multiple videos throughout the week. So definitely, if you have not, I don't know what you guys are waiting for, what you guys are doing. I'm that one-of-a-kind gem you guys may be looking for, so hit that subscribe button and definitely hit that post notification bell, so when I upload, you guys can find out and see when I load something, so you guys can watch. Anyways, it is New Year's Day. Thank you so much for returning. If you are a subscriber already, I love you all. I appreciate you all. And like I said, if you aren't, definitely hit that subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube family. So, yep, stay safe, y'all. So yes, I am definitely not ashamed to tell you guys I need to dust this baby. I need to clean all around, obviously, like my salt lamp needs to be on, and I need to organize all this stuff. So yuppers. Yeah, here I have like my palettes. Here is like miscellaneous, I don't know, just stuff like I just popped on. Like I have lashes, I don't know, whatever. This is just like my miscellaneous box. This is my foundation, and this is my eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, y'all, help a girl out. So like I'm like currently trying to organize things right now. Like look at this. Like I have no organization skills whatsoever. I need to dust. I need to clean. I need to fix this thing. This, you guys, I have like, somebody showed me a while back, like instead of throwing the candles from Bath and Body Works, I legit just clean them out and use them for my brushes.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot.
So yes, and now I'll be ending the video. Again, thank you so much, you guys. I am so much fuzzies on this shirt. Like, I don't know, I love black, but sometimes I don't. But yeah, much appreciation to you all. I hope you guys are having a wonderful New Year's Day. And yeah, today I'm just sit back and relaxing. I have a little bit of a tummy ache. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some Tums and go sit back and relax. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.